Next in the range we have the Volt Stick Pro230. The 230 signifying that this stick is optimised for use on 230 volt circuits, and the Pro tells us that this is a professional tester designed with a unique shielded fork tip. The Pro230 is designed for use on single core cables and specifically not multi-core cables or flexes. The single core will fit between the tip, so the Pro230 can be used to test one core at a time. So if you have a lot of single cores, you can pick out one and the tip will test that one core while shielding from all the other cables. If a voltage is detected inside the jaws of the tip, it will light up red. And in the end of the Pro230, there's an adapter that can be placed between the jaws, and this adapts the stick so that it can be used on larger single core cables. It's worth just reminding you that if you are using one of our Pro sticks, even if a multi-core cable fits between the jaws, it may not detect because there will be too much insulation between the conductor and the sensor. The Pro230 is just for single core cables, and it is the best tester for electricians and engineers working with 230 volt single core cables, especially if they need to test cables in looms, inside machinery, inside trunking, or maybe busy junction boxes and fuse boards. The Pro230 also has CE and UKCA approvals.